Hey everyone, driving along and suddenly hear that awful squealing or grinding noise every time you hit the brakes? Don't ignore it. That sound is your car trying to tell you something's wrong. Let's break down what it could be in 60 seconds. First, and most common, it could be worn out brake pads. There's a small metal indicator that makes a high-pitched squeal when the pads are low. If it's more of a grinding sound, you might be damaging your brake discs. Speaking of discs, sometimes a thin layer of rust can build up, especially after it rains or the car sits for a while. This usually causes a scraping noise that goes away after a few stops. Another culprit could be low brake fluid, which can affect performance and cause unusual sounds. So what's the fix? For worn pads, a replacement is necessary. For rusty discs, a good cleaning or professional resurfacing can solve it. And if the fluid is low, simply topping it up might do the trick. Stay safe on the road, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips.